If you apply kajal and it gets smudged or you end up looking like a panda, then you need to try this hack. For this, you need only 3 products. One is any black color kajal. Second is any eyeshadow palette which have blacks and browns in it, like these. And third is any brush to pack the kajal that you will apply on your upper or lower lid. So we'll start with applying the kajal, and make sure that the kajal that you're using is properly sharp. Now we'll take an eyeshadow palette, and from it we'll take this dark brown color to pack it all over the kajal so that it will not smudge. All you have to do is just pat it over it, that's all. I'm mixing the black as well. Let me finish the other side and show you the final look. And